LP560-4 on the rear. It has a sexy bird, yeah, really sexy. Look at that, all carbon. This one carbon fiber from the previous owner add-on. Man, very stand out. Look at that. Woo. Man, it's carbon fiber, and the spoiler look nice, perfect, and really low, guys. Very low. Look at that. Man, I try to clean up a little bit. Let's see the carbon fiber. Man, yeah. Let's see the carbon fiber. Oh man, look at that. Dang, it's dirty, crazy, very nice. Look at that. Woo. How low is it, guys? Look at this car. Look at this. Oh man, this right here, not include the spoiler. It's below my belly button, and I'm only 5'5". Yeah, it's below right here, guys. Oh man, the spoiler maybe it's right here. Yep. So, oh man, very low. Look at that. Oh geez, super low, guys. Super low. And it's not, and it's wide. Yeah, it's like the whole arm out. Yeah, the whole arm out, guys. Yep. Đi lăn nó dễ thôi, đặt em quan trọng là thấy nó có chạy bằng máy tại trước nè, quan trọng là thấy nó có chạy hay không thôi.
Thấy nó thấy nó hư nó
hư đây là hư ruột. Okay, so today is the time I'm gonna work on it, guys. So I bought this Lambo. It's 2009. It's 560-4 LP, and got a burn engine on this side. So I heard from the previous owner, they say it's the fuel pump and the fuel line got on fire. So she's really hot and burn everything. So inside still okay, and you don't smell smoke at all. But today I'm gonna work on it, and then today I'm gonna wipe everything clean. I have to keep it clean first and look nice first before I do everything. I'm gonna pull the engine out and build the engine and put everything back together, and maybe paint the engine bay. Guys, look at this. Oh man, walk around, man. But it's so aggressive. This side is perfect. This side is perfect. This side is nothing, and it's already lower. And the LP560 is very aggressive. Very low on the ground. It's like off the ground, maybe 3 inch, maybe 3 inch. That's it. Pop this trunk up. You see, oh man, see how burn is that? I don't know how I'm gonna get this running yet, but I had to buy a lot of stuff. Probably intake manifold, wire harness, clean all up in here. Maybe the AC compressor and all the maybe alternator. Everything's underneath there. So I have to lift the car up to see. Okay, after I wipe down a little bit, so now it look decent, look shiny a little bit, guys. Okay, let's walk around. Yeah, let's walk around. Woo, still so sexy. Yep. LP 560-4, guys. Okay, so I gonna spray can the car. Just ride this section for now, just look a little bit better. And later I gonna sand it down and paint it, guys. But this just look a little bit better. It's okay when it's far away. It's okay. Let's do it. No crying. Yeah. Just look black. It's okay. Oh man, black. Black, all right. Yeah, it's look a little bit better when it's far away like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's bought this roof fin white from 2014 Lamborghini Gallardo. Yes, just wrap this on. Yeah. Để cho làm gì đấy. Thì coi này là đúng. Đang thấy thôi mẹ đó. Yeah, how to spoil Lamborghini, man. Okay, just spray a little bit so you know it just look this in the far away. I gotta put this rear film on so it's okay. Like that. Yeah, look nice already like that. And Phammotorsport is over here. It's sports S. It's over here. Okay, Nate. Wanna come get it? Yep, damn legend, guys. Woo! New edition. Very nice. Speed edition, guy. Look at that. Sexy.